Verminator Pest Control, your local pest control company, Asian hornets. In light of the increased sightings of Asian hornets across the United Kingdom, Verminator Pest Control would like to provide you with valuable information to assist in safeguarding your property from their presence. According to data from the Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, DEFRA, there have been a total of 46 reported sightings of Asian hornets since 2016, with half of these sightings occurring within the current year. Understanding the factors attracting hornets. Asian hornets exhibit a predilection for certain food sources, which include carrion such as deceased animals, as well as sugary substances, such as fallen fruit. Consequently, it is recommended to exercise vigilance in managing potential attractants. To mitigate their presence, it is advised to securely cover and tie bins to prevent access. Additionally, it is important to promptly clear any remaining pet food from bowls and eliminate open sources of meat or protein. Furthermore, Asian hornets have demonstrated an affinity for fruits and tree sap, with documented instances of stinging incidents occurring during the harvesting of plums, apples, and grapes, as reported on Gov.uk. If you possess beehives and have concerns regarding the presence of Asian hornets, it may be prudent to contemplate the acquisition of chickens. Chickens are known to effectively intercept Asian hornets in flight, thereby contributing to the maintenance of a clean and safe environment for your beehives. Distinguishing characteristics of Asian hornets. Asian hornets exhibit distinct behaviors compared to the European counterparts. Notably, they refrain from nocturnal flight activities and are less inclined to intrude directly into residential structures, unlike European hornets. Similar to European hornets, Asian hornets exhibit a propensity for establishing nests in locations such as attics and garden sheds. These spaces are favored due to their attributes of providing security, openness, dryness, protection from adverse weather conditions, and limited human traffic. Nevertheless, the choice of nesting location appears to be somewhat arbitrary, as there is no definitive optimal site for this invasive species. The primary requisites for their nesting sites encompass warmth, access to water sources, adequate space for egg laying, and aeration. While some observations suggest a preference for sycamore trees, it is noteworthy that Asian hornets have also demonstrated an affinity for pine and oak trees. While Asian hornets are typically not characterized as aggressively inclined, or as inquisitive picnic attackers, akin to the European counterparts, it is essential to exercise caution and avoid direct contact with them when encountered. In the event of an Asian hornet sighting, it is advisable to calmly and deliberately distance oneself from the insect, secure nearby doors, and promptly report the observation. Subsequently, it is recommended to enlist the services of a qualified professional for appropriate handling and resolution. The invasive nature of this species is associated with an increased propensity for aggressiveness, particularly in proximity to their nest sites, and regrettably, their venomous stings can result in serious health consequences. Tragically, documented instances of fatalities stemming from their stings have been reported both in Europe and Asia, as corroborated by Gov.uk. In the event that an Asian hornet nest becomes established on your property, it is strongly recommended that you promptly report its presence to the Great British Non-Native Species Secretariat for appropriate action. This information video is brought to you by Verminator Pest Control, your local pest control company. Call 0788 300 8331 or visit www.verminatorpestcontrol.co.uk.